Welcome! If you want to control who can see your current experience on Roblox using the PC app, you're in the right place. With the latest update, Roblox has made it easier than ever to manage your privacy and decide exactly who gets to see what you're playing. In this video, I'll walk you through each step to make your current experience visible only to specific people. First, open up the Roblox app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More icon. This usually looks like 3 dots or lines in the corner of the app. Click on it to open up the menu. From here, scroll down and select Settings. This is where you can adjust all your account preferences and privacy options. In the Settings menu, find and click on Privacy and Content Restrictions. This section is dedicated to keeping your Roblox experience safe and tailored to your needs. Next, look for the option labeled Visibility and Private Servers. Click on it, and you'll see a button called Visibility. Go ahead and click on Visibility to open up your sharing options. Now, you'll see several choices for who can view your current experience. To limit this to only certain people, select Friends, Followers, and People I Follow. This means only your Roblox friends, people who follow you, and those you follow will be able to see what you're playing. Everyone else will be kept out, giving you more control over your privacy. After you've made your selection, your settings will automatically update. You don't need to save anything manually. Roblox takes care of it for you. If you ever want to change this in the future, just repeat these steps and choose a different visibility option. That's it. You've just learned how to show your current experience to specific people on Roblox using the PC app, all with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks on customizing your Roblox experience. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Roblox.